We work with individuals with diverse needs. Sometimes that means you need a blank canvas with tools that allows you to create the perfect activity from scratch. Creating an activity from a blank canvas in Boardmaker is the perfect way to make engaging learning materials that are completely customized. Boardmaker gives you the canvas, tools, functionality, and accessibility, and you can use your own creativity to customize the activity. Creating an activity from a blank canvas is easy. From the Boardmaker installed editor, select New, then select Blank. Choose a canvas based on how you want to print. If you plan to only use the activity on a computer or tablet, select Interactive. Note that interactive means the activity will open in a screen optimized to be viewed on a computer. It does not automatically give the activity interactive properties. Select Create. Once you open the editor, you'll see tools across the top, a page panel along the left side, and the Properties and Symbols tabs to the right. In Boardmaker, we create activities by adding content and actions to buttons. To create a button, select the Button tool. Choose the type of button you would like to create. Then move your mouse to the blank canvas and click and drag to create a button. If you know what shape you'd like for your buttons to be, select the Shape tool. Choose a shape and then click and drag to draw that shape on the canvas. To create several buttons, select the Spray tool. Click in your original button and drag to create identical copies of that button. To resize the button, hover over any of the edges and click and drag. To reposition the grid of buttons, select in the middle and drag. Now that there are buttons on the page, let's add some content. To do this, I'll click into my background and then click into my first button to select it. Now, I'll type a word directly into the button. I'll select Enter Return on my keyboard. This opens the Add Symbol page. Here, I can find a symbol, narrow my symbol search. I can also add images from my media, from the web, or from a file on my computer. Once I find the image I want to use, I'll select it and then click the Select button to add it into my button. For more information on adding content to buttons, watch the video titled Adding Content to Buttons. To add pages to this activity, I'll select New Page. Now I could choose to add a new blank page, or I could add a page from another activity or from a template. To make identical copies of my first page, I'll select the three dots and say Duplicate. To shuffle the buttons on the page, I'll first select all the buttons. To do this, I'll click in my first button and create a rectangle that goes through all of my button by dragging my mouse. Now with all the buttons selected, I'll right-click using my mouse and select Shuffle. This will keep all of my symbols and digital images, but change their order. Once I've added content to my buttons, I'll use the Properties panel to continue to customize the activity. Once the activity is complete, you'll want to save it. Select the three bars in the top left corner and select Save As. Give the activity a name, then select Save. This saves a copy of the activity to your computer, and when you connect to the internet, it will also save a copy to My Boardmaker on the website. Now, select Return to Dashboard to return to the Boardmaker Editor dashboard. Push your creativity to the limit by creating an activity from a blank canvas in Boardmaker. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about how to use Boardmaker. Boardmaker, the power to achieve.